is Rachel Wakeman, and today I am doing a science project about benzene, the toxic chemical. You may not know much about benzene, but by watching this video, you will become aware of the great dangers that you may not have ever known it posed. Today we will learn how humans are exposed to benzene, how it is released into the environment, the varying health risks it poses, and adjustments you can make to your lifestyle to counteract these risks. Benzene is absorbed into the bloodstream when a person breathes in its vapors or mists. It is primarily found in motor oils and gasolines. Although it is not used at lethal levels, benzene can be found in oil resins, waxes, solvents for fats, plastics, paints, rubber, and is a chemical intermediate in the manufacture of detergents and is also found in explosives and pharmaceuticals. This chemical is a component of products derived from coal and petroleum. Therefore, the burning of fossil fuels releases it into the atmosphere and the surrounding environment. Any country that burns fossil fuels is at risk for exposure to its environment from benzene. However, this will cause more developed countries to have a higher risk for benzene exposure due to greater electrical production from fossil fuels. Unfortunately, it is a known carcinogen and can cause cancer such as leukemia after long-term exposure. Chronic exposure has been known to cause complications with reproductive organs and infertility. Organ systems can also be damaged as benzene exposure can cause anemia and weaken the immune system. Some side effects of acute exposure are drowsiness, headaches, dizziness, and death. Next, we are going to discuss the LD50 of benzene. LD50 is the amount of a chemical that it takes, or the amount of exposure, before half of the test subjects, for example rats, in the population die. State and federal drinking water standards for benzene are set at 5 parts per billion. The Wisconsin Department of Natural Resources, DNR, has set a residential indoor air action level for benzene at 0.95 parts per billion by volume. A study recorded by ScienceLab.com found the LD50 of benzene to be 930 milligrams per kilograms for rats. The acute dermal toxicity, LD50, was greater than 9,400 milligrams per kilogram for a rabbit, and the acute toxicity of the vapor, the LC50, was 10,000 for 7 hours in a rat. Finally, you can take advantage of the following healthy alternatives to avoid exposure to benzene. First, try not to breathe in the vapors when filling your car or vehicle with gasoline. Next, store gasoline in an airtight container. Do not dispense or handle gasoline in your home or garage. And also, take containers and gasoline-operated machinery outside away from the house when filling to allow for better fume ventilation. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and that you learned something today. Thanks. Bye-bye.